Do you see this piece of fry here? It's potato fries. A bird dropped it, ate some of it, left, and came back to get it for a second time. Flew off again. So we're going to see if it comes back for a third time. I'm going to try to catch it on video. Let's wait.
Tata?
Mm-mm.
Left this? I want to show it out. That's it.
No. Gone again. To return. Off in the distance. Another bird has entered the fry relay. What in the world? Does this one look like a dove? Hey. Did he know what is going on here?
This one's being hungry.
Shh!
Let that
Shh!
eat.
No!
Oh, wait.
No! It does not belong to him. Get! Come on! Get! Go away! Get! What in the water? Nah. That is not your fry. Go on. And this thing now that is too far away. No. It will not move. Look, Mr. Bold has returned for what he did not put there.
It looks very dovish.
How did that one let this one know what, or this is a sneak, this one was watching.
Original is back?
The original Reaper, Soar is back.
The original thief.
Somebody might have given him, but he came and went and left this one here. Is he afraid of the dove?
No, he's not really hungry because he ate a lot of it. He just keeps coming back. I guess after he gets tired for a snippet.
And this one's staying. Look at this one, eating most of it. The other one ran off. Look at him. He hasn't left since he showed up. Eating everything under the sun. Boy, those people really like that high flying thing, balloon thing. Yikes. Boy, this one is a serious eater.